In additional news, and this is really good news, the General Company for Ports of Iraq, GCPI, announced that by the end of October 2025, its total revenues, including from affiliated ports and facilities, reached $810 million. GCPI's Director General, Farhan Al-Fartusi, said this strong performance reflects improved operations at commercial and oil ports, along with better efficiency in maritime services and berth management. That was the good news. And here is the great news. Iraq has reached a major milestone in its national development strategy. Prime Minister Mohammed Shiaa Al-Sudani officially opened the first 63-kilometer segment of the Development Road project in Basra, a corridor designed to transform the country into a central hub for global trade. This newly opened stretch links Grand Faw Port, Iraq's most ambitious maritime project, directly to the international highway network. This connection is far more than a simple road. It is the first operational piece of a strategic trade route that aims to compete with regional shipping giants and connect the Gulf to Turkey, Europe, and beyond. By launching this segment, the government has demonstrated tangible progress on a project that experts believe could reshape Iraq's economic future. The development road is expected to reduce freight transport times between the Gulf and Europe, lower shipping and transit costs, making Iraq a competitive logistics corridor, stimulate investment in industrial zones, warehousing, energy and manufacturing along the route, create thousands of jobs as new commercial hubs, strengthen Iraq's geopolitical position as a key east-west trade link. Al-Sudani emphasized that the project is part of the government's year of continuing achievements, highlighting its commitment to infrastructure modernization after decades of delays, conflict, and economic challenges. The completed 63-kilometer segment is only the beginning, but its launch sends a powerful message. Iraq is actively building the foundations for a diversified, modern economy that is less dependent on oil. For many Iraqis and international observers, this achievement represents one of the most important steps forward in the country's long-term development, marking Iraq's return as a major player in regional trade and logistics.